To Yardstyle live.
Even if somebody have the glory and I hold on pan it, me still not feeling away because that's up to you. And me give thanks to the much. I'm a blessed. I mean, the Creator bless me with everything. It's not like me as an artist where I suffer. Jah Mason, I come in at the media, I come and say, Jah, no, them not recognize. No, I'm doing my thing and it's happening.
Okay.
You understand what I say? So I mean,
me
me not feel, if me say that, some people will start a text by your program and I say, no, I lie that because after Rebel Salute we have a tour coming up.
Yeah.
A big one. And after my tour we have Africa.
Yeah, the world tour.
And more than years, like, so I mean, we do the thing and when it's not a youth where I go ball or like, no, I don't reach this yet.
No, and it not gonna reach this. So, me see.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna, cause if me I go do that tour, me I go allow some other people to say who really not get even the opportunity where me get. So me have to go just make ones know, so just satisfy with the amount you have until
Greater come.
maybe your cup run over.
Well, yeah.
You understand me, sir?
Yeah, but yeah, I don't like when the cup run over now, because I want nothing to waste, so make the cup full.
Yeah,
I don't want nothing to waste.
Yeah, man. Nah, yeah, so me don't have nothing where me really sad about what me never did get.
Basically,
unless it out there wait for me, because me somebody I'm satisfied.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.